Today we will discuss about how to use offset tool in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. Offset tool is used to copy or move the selected elements on a certain distance away from the selected elements, like model line, detail line, wall, beam, duct and pipe, etc. To better understand offset tool, we create a 3000 by 3000 room with wall tool. By selecting an object, it will automatically shift to the Modify tab. The Offset tool is located on the Modify panel of the Modify tab. You can select an offset tool or punch its shortcut key OF from the keyboard. After selecting Offset tool, the first option in the options bar is Graphical. In the graphical option, the element to be offset is selected first. Then, after that, the selected object is dragged to a certain distance. By using offset tool, the elements always move parallel. Elements do not move in any other direction. The tracking line shows the possible placement of the elements in the direction you move the cursor. It shows the offset distance of the element while dragging. When your desired distance is achieved, you click the mouse to place the object. You can also give a numerical value. The numerical value you give, the element will be placed at such a distance. The movement of the element is always center to center. We can verify it with Dimension tool. Now I undo it for the next option. Select Offset tool again. The second option in the options bar is numerical. As much offset distance you give, the element will be placed at that distance. Also, the last option in the options bar is Copy. If the copy box is checked, the element is copied. By unchecking the same copy box, we'll move the element according to the numerical offset value. This option is available with both graphical and numerical. I undo it again. If you want to offset entire elements, after selecting the Offset tool, the selected element will be moved. It will also maintain connectivity with other objects. Move the mouse over an object to offset all elements at once and press the Tab button. All elements will be selected together. Tracking line shows whether you want to place the object inside or outside. Place the object on whichever side you want. So, this is our today's offset tool topic in Revit. I hope that you understand the offset tool. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.